guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, so let's just get started. So it does come with instructions, but it's very basic. I'm going to show you how it works as soon as we unbox this anyways. So this is the cable that we get with it. It's a USB-C. Now there's a lot more than what I thought I would get, but we'll take a look at these in just a second. And right now, here it is. It's kind of nice. This looks a little delicate, but that's okay. So here's the port, and let's just see. So it does come with one inside already, so you guys can appreciate how that's gonna look. So the way that this works, you do have to take this off, and that's when you turn it on. So there's a light that comes out from here, and that will project things onto your walls. Very simple. I gotta say, I do like this, but I don't, because that means, see this cable, it's fairly short. It's not that long, actually, at all. And when I read online, it's supposed to have an AC adapter. This came with no adapter, so you guys have to find your own. So you have to hook it up to your computer or something like that. So that's the downside, because this does not have a battery. You do have to plug it in to make it work. All right, so I like this because it comes with a bunch of options. So here's the top part. You guys would change whenever you guys want to. So this is the top part. Take it off, put the other one in. And instead of just showing you one by one like that, I'm actually gonna set it up and show you how it looks like. So let's get started. So you would need some type of an adapter. This does not come with it. It's just an extra one that I had. You would have to plug this in here. Now this cable does come with it. And then the cable itself, you have to plug it in here. And this would go to right on my wall, but you guys can also plug this into your computer, for example, but a lot of you will not be doing that. So right now I have it plugged in, and I'm just gonna press A. That's A, B, and C. So you guys can kind of see what each one does. I'm gonna put C again, it makes it move. Press C, static. So if you want it to be moving around, you just press C. If you want it to move around, press C again, make it steady. You guys can see the difference between A and B. That's A, B. But anyways, right now let me just turn off the lights so you guys can appreciate this. So now that I turned off the lights, you guys can see that, and let me just run this, and then I'll show you on the walls, obviously, because that's what we're looking for. So if you move it around, this is A, this is B. So you guys see that difference between A and B? A, B. Anyways, let's just run A for now. And on my roof, that's how it looks like. There we go. Let me just get that focused in. That's on my roof. And then on my walls, it looks like so. Unfortunately, my walls, I'm in my studio, so I have this thing here. So when it's black, you won't see anything. But on the white part, you guys do see the shapes. It has to be pretty dark for you guys to see anything, really. But those are the shapes that you guys get out of this particular film. So once again, here it is. And let me just show you how to change this up. So let's say you guys want one with monsters. This is a different one that came with this. Just take this out. Just push this out. Put this one in. There we go. Just place that on the top, by the way. So that's the next step, but we'll take this out. So it is locked in, so you just have to do it counterclockwise. And it comes unlocked. Take this out. And you see how it's like this? It's do that with this too. So what we have to do is just push these guys right in. So there's gonna be these guys, and that's how it looks like. So it goes the inside. So you just have to push it in. Just copy the one that you guys have. So this is another one. All you guys have to do is just set this up here, and here we go. So you just slide it in here, place it on the top, and then lock it in clockwise. You guys will hear that locking. And then you place this right on top of it. And there you go. Your next one's set up. You guys can just put this one on the side. What I suggest is just leaving it as is, just to make it a little bit easier for you guys. So that's how it looks like. And let's just turn off the lights and show you in another room this time. All right, so this time what I did was go into another room where it's all white walls. That way you guys can see how this looks like. So that's how it changes up. And you guys can mess around actually with a lot of the settings. Although it might not look like it, you can. So down here it is. And we're gonna change it up to here. So there you go. You just zoom out. And I'm gonna press another button. It's the same one. I'm just pressing the B. I'm gonna press B again, B again, B again. So you guys can see it dims a little bit. I can press it again and it does all of this, which is an interesting effect. And I do have it on moving. And then if I press A again, here it is. It's a little bit cleaner, just these guys. Press A again, it changes to these guys. If I press B, there it is, how dim it is. So I can make it pretty dim, I can make it really bright. So maybe you're setting this up for nighttime, you might want it dimmed down a little bit. Then here's the sights on the walls. Let me just put it up for the sake of this video so you guys can see what's going on. So it is pretty cool. And then I'm gonna press A again, A again, and A again. So it does quite a bit of things. I gotta say, it's a pretty good design. So right now, do you guys see how this works? What I'm gonna do is just show you the other ones really quick. All right, so here is another one. And then the rest, I'm just gonna show you how they look like each one, just to make things easier. All right, so to show you all of them, here they are. There's a lot of them, so just for timing, this is much easier. And you're gonna get a glimpse at each one. Some of them look really cool. And here's the top of each one. So this would be on the ceiling, whatever you're gonna see on the ceilings up here. And then on the walls would be the long stuff. So that's everything you guys get with this. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.